Welcome to my channel, Flight Assistance. Frontier Airlines check-in process 2025 latest tips and updates. Checking in at the airport with Frontier Airlines is simple and convenient. Baggage claim: learn how to check in at the counter or self-service kiosk, what documents you'll need, and how to save time before your flight. From baggage drop-off to boarding passes, we'll walk you through each step to make your travel experience stress-free. Perfect for first-time Frontier flyers or frequent travelers looking for quick tips. Arrival recommendation: plan to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your domestic flight scheduled departure and 3 hours for international flights. This allows ample time for check-in, security screening, and any unexpected delays. Frontier emphasizes early arrival to avoid missing cutoffs, especially at busy hubs like Denver or Orlando, where lines can form quickly due to the airline's low-cost model prioritizing efficiency. Check-in cutoff time: all check-in processes, online, kiosk, or counter, close 60 minutes before departure for both domestic and international flights. After this, you'll be denied boarding, even if you're at the airport. This strict policy ensures smooth operations, so monitor your flight status via the Frontier app to stay ahead of any changes. Require documents: bring a valid government-issued photo ID, e.g. driver's license or passport, matching your booking exactly. For international travel, include your passport and any visas. Children under 18 don't need ID if traveling with an adult, but unaccompanied minors require special forms. Mismatches can lead to delays or denied boarding. Double-check names and spellings in advance. Online and mobile check-in: start check-in 24 hours before departure via the Frontier website or app. It's free and fastest. Enter your last name and 6-digit confirmation code to access your itinerary, select seats for a fee, and get a digital boarding pass emailed or saved to your phone. Prepay baggage here to skip lines. No bags? Head straight to security. Airport kiosk check-in: available at most Frontier-served airports starting 2 hours before departure. Kiosks are self-service and free. Scan your ID or enter your confirmation code, print your boarding pass, and generate bag tags if needed. Ideal for last-minute tech issues. Follow on-screen prompts, then drop bags at the designated belt. Not all smaller airports have them, so check ahead. Counter check-in process: if you prefer assistance or have special needs, visit the Frontier ticket counter up to 45 to 60 minutes before departure, varies by airport. Provide your ID and confirmation. Agents verify details and issue a printed boarding pass. This is available, but may involve longer waits during peaks. Use it for checked bags, pets, or mobility aids. Baggage drop procedures: for checked bags, drop them at dedicated belts after printing tags via online/kiosk. Up to 60 minutes prior, bags must weigh under 50 pounds and meet size limits. Fees apply: $30 to $100 plus if not prepaid. Personal items are free, but carry-ons cost extra. Tag everything clearly to avoid lost luggage claims. Fees to avoid: standard check-in is free, but printed boarding passes at the counter cost $25 per passenger/direction if you skip online/mobile. Bag fees escalate at the airport, and no-shows for check-in can forfeit seats. Elite members or credit card holders get perks like waived fees. Enroll in Frontier Miles for potential savings. Special assistance and exceptions: request wheelchair, unaccompanied minor, ages 5 to 14, $150 fee, or pet services during booking or at check-in. Active duty military get priority and waived fees. For disruptions like recent Orlando incidents, stay calm. Agents handle escalations. International check-in requires extra scrutiny for customs forms. Post-check-in to boarding: with your boarding pass, proceed to security. TSA pre-check recommended for speed. Arrive at the gate 45 minutes before departure. Boarding starts then in zones 1 to 5, based on fare/seat purchase. Gates close 20 to 30 minutes prior. Monitor apps for changes. Recent X reports highlight terminal-specific tips, like JFK's Terminal 7 for all Frontier ops. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.